Hey, what's up, you guys? Yeah, just a little video up or channel update here in 7 seconds. We're still at Lake Pleasant here, guys, and we added this cool new playground for kids. So this is interesting. Look at this. It's a bald eagle getting a fish. Look at this big old lizard. Over here, the kids are. You can climb around here like they're a spider. Turtle. Oh, that's great. Look at the views. And then I just don't want to get on these people way too much, but isn't that cool? That's a slide, a couple of slides. So that was really cool. Let's see what's over here. Hot baked Italian. Been a few years since I've been out here. Oh, some kind of little maybe they give classes here or something, or talk, or I guess you could even have a little wedding or something.
Good area. That's a little pad.
Trails down here with probably showing plants. Yeah, this is a pretty cool place. This is the Discovery Center at Lake Pleasant.
Looks like they do little shows here, probably animal presentations.
Yeah, so for you guys, the people who are not familiar with this part of Arizona, this part of outside of Phoenix here. You see there's some I don't know, the mules, the jackasses, the donkeys. Come on, people.
There's one across the street and one here.
Yeah, there's two of them here. One dude got out and took a selfie with it. He's lucky it didn't bite him or kick him. So
hold up traffic.
Yeah, so something else cool. There's wild horses outside of Phoenix too. Yeah, so if you guys remember the last vlog, which was gosh, I think a couple months ago, told you that I moved once, and now I'm getting ready to move again with Lisa here, Hot Baked Italian. You got to check out her channel. But yeah, we are moving forward with the full-time RV. Been actively shopping and touring RVs. So I've got some videos coming up of some RV tours. Still have one video to edit from our cross-country adventure, salt mines underneath Hutchinson, Kansas, which I really had to edit a lot out of that, but it was an interesting tour. But yeah, so it is the middle of January right now, and we are planning on being on the road middle of April or somewhere in there. And I am going to be selling the red Jeep and probably the 06 too, and to get a 3/4 ton pickup. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on with us, with all the moving. You know, moving Lisa's mom out most recently. We just you know, so busy as far as getting editing done. But we'll get caught up, and we will be on the road. We got a little visitor here. Well, I didn't tell you where we're at. We're on Lake. Yeah, this is Lake Pleasant, up northwest Phoenix. Check this out. We're up on the top of it. And from the last time we were here a couple months ago, the water level has really come up. I think probably because we're starting to get some snow melt from up north. And this coming weekend, we're going to be getting, sounds like 3-4 days of rain. So probably even fill up some more. But yeah, we brought some. Like I said, we were moving Lisa's mom the past 3 weekends. And that's what we were doing yesterday. God, we are so itching to get out and camp, aren't we?
Totally. We're all so ready.
Exactly. Yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base with you guys. We'll be getting some more videos kicked out here. Love each and every one of you. Share it. Share this channel with somebody that's a like-minded person. Friendly sheriff's deputy. Yeah, share this with like-minded people. You know, how-to videos, because I'm still going to be working on stuff. And but you know, you're gonna see this country through our eyes. But yeah, I love each and every one of you. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when we publish videos. Yeah, and also check out Hot Baked Italian. But okay, we'll see you guys soon. God bless. Love each and every one of you. Take care. Bye.